My daily routine and my city. Hello, my name is Samuel Elias. I want to share my daily routine and my city. On Monday, I usually have at 7 a.m. I take morning. I want to my work because I live I procomas. I usually work from 8 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. I take down I 5:40 p.m. I take my bus to Senati. Then I study from 6 p.m. to 9:50 p.m. When I finish out I with my family and then Rex Agni usually react sometimes I listen music I practice English. Reality I my routine because I don't take next I improvise every day my city. I live in I problem I beautiful and modern district. Tere Real Plaza Pro some jeans, mini markets and Rexall gas station share are also parts. Garden TX are small finish where children play football. I live sport, five modern supermarkets. I give plastic to one. I deal with traffic, fairground areas, district, street, and noisy buses every day. My city is full activities. I from morning to night times. I walk my daily routine and my city transport for technique.